Alright, today we got a new brand, I guess you could say. We're adding to the list. Sparkling Ice Caffeine. Zero sugar. Tropical punch. We're gonna give it a shot. What is this? 70 milligrams of caffeine. Top of the hour. 0% juice. 5 calories. 2.5 milligrams of vitamin E antioxidants. Carbonated water. Beta carotene contains 2% or less of beta carotene, natural flavors, green tea extract, caffeine, D-alpha tocopheroacetate, niacinamide, calcium pentothenate, pyridoxine hydrochloride, biotin, cyanosobalamin, sucralose, citric acid, potassium benzoate. Alright, so the ingredients are minimal, but as in life, chill for best results. But apparently, we only got 70 milligrams of caffeine, which may not really be enough. But I should have checked that out before I took it off. But yeah, we're gonna try something new. I mean, we've been trying a lot of drinks, so we gotta switch it up a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna freeze it up and see what it's all about. The Sparkling Ice Caffeine for a little morning pick-me-up in Salt Lake City. Alright, I think we froze the tropical punch a little bit. It got frozen a little bit, but then I took it out the freezer. I think it lost its frozenness. Let's just get to it. Yeah, it lost its frozen. Okay, no, it's freezing. It's freezing now. So that's sort of perfect. When it hits the air, it starts to freeze. Then it takes the freeze off a little bit. But yeah, so we did good. It's rising up a little bit. Tropical punch, sparkling ice caffeine. I mean, it's sort of what you would think. The first sip just tells me it's what you would think. It's some watered down stuff. I mean, I don't know if I could. Calling this an energy drink is sort of a stretch. Is my first impression. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Tastes like water with some. This tastes like how some people, usually women, but it is what it is. They'll have the water out and they'll put the powder in the water, the bottle of water, and it changes color because it has some electrolytes now or something. That's what this reminds me of. A sparkling, I guess, ice water with some powdered caffeine added into it. And then they call it the tropical punch just because. This is boring. And then to top it off, they give us 70 milligrams of caffeine. I don't know what that's gonna do. It's gonna be a rough morning. I gotta do the workout and then go to work off of this BS. It don't taste bad. Just bland. No character. Absolutely no character. Minimal flavor. This is, I guess, if you were to look at this and compare it to the other energy drinks, and then you chose this one, if this is what you chose, you might get what you were asking for. Because you would probably want a basic, watered down drink that has a little bit of caffeine to it. And that's what this is. It's just a watered down, I don't know, water. It's just a water with some energy added to it. The kickstarts, I think the Mountain Dew kickstarts have only 80 milligrams of caffeine. So that's only 10 more milligrams of caffeine. But they have way more flavor. And with the flavor, this goes to show you, this energy drink right here, the flavor will also add to the energy blend. It's not just the caffeine, and it's not just the taurine, the inositol, the L-carnitine. It's also just the flavor that adds to that energy. The human body is very complex, and it reacts to certain stimulants. And one of those stimulants is a good flavor. Give the human body a good flavor, and it'll do a little bit more for you. With a basic boring flavor, the human body is just gonna shrug it off and say, "All right, that's all you got." That's what this is. That's all you got. That's all you got energy drink. But what can I say? It doesn't taste bad. Does it taste like tropical punch? Does it deserve that name? Absolutely not. There's no punch to it, and it's not a tropical flavor. It's a veiled, I guess, veiled attempt at trying to taste like juice. But it doesn't taste like juice. There's no tropical. There's no punch. There's no mango or orange juice or guava. Yeah, it's just a basic drink. There's not much to it. Watered down. Boring. I usually want a 16 milligrams of caffeine, but this is a situation where I would rather have 12. Just get it over with. The Red Bulls have 12 milligrams of caffeine. This one should just have 12. Let's just move on. Waste of time. I guess it's gonna have to get a D plus. I mean, doesn't really taste as bad as what the other D plus energy drinks taste like, but considering it only has 5 calories, 70 milligrams of caffeine, and it just doesn't have any taste, we're gonna have to drop it down to D plus. And I don't want to give it any more time. Just a D plus. Save your money. Even if you get it for free, save your taste buds and just do something else. But then again, I gave it some props for what it does. If you look at this energy drink and you say this is the kind of energy drink I want, you might get what you were looking for.